Good morning, guys. I'm Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Whoever is watching this video, girls, let me tell you, I have already made many books. You can see SSC GD book, Coast Guard General Duty, Domestic Branch related book, Army GD and Tradesman book. We have something Army Technical, Indian Navy Tradesman Mate Examination related book, Nursing Assistant related book, and we have something Soldier Army Clerk related book. They're all previous papers. Indian Air Force Fire Group, RPF Constable book. We have Soldier GD already discussed, and we have something related to Army Technical and General Knowledge book, English book, and practice papers of GD and tradesmen. There are many more MTS book also there, military nursing service book also there. If you want, you can directly call me on 766 730 252. Along with that, we have different color papers of loose leaflets with which you can prepare for English grammar as well as everything. You can directly go for it. Now we have abbreviation of ARS, that is acute radiation syndrome, guys. Normally this type of disease occurs with the radiation only. Elections, you know about that. Initially in 1952 the electors elections were held, and during that time first vice president was elected in India. He is also first chairman of Rajya Sabha. So he was Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. On his birth anniversary we celebrate Teachers Day, guys. You know about curd, lemon, vinegar, orange, they are all consist of acetic acid, which is very important. Subrato Mukherjee, you know about her. Normally, she was the senior most Indian commissioned officer in the Indian Air Force, guys. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy, which is also known as Maka, recently won by the Guru Nanak Dev University, guys. It was a repeated question from earlier shifts. Karanam Malleshwari, you know about her. Weightlifting, she got 2000 in 2000 bronze medal she has got in Olympics. She was also awarded Arjuna Award in 1994, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 1999, as well as Padma Shri in 1999. You know about the concave mirror, which has got in a U shape. You can see if anything falls on that, it forms real images. Normally, this is used by the dentist. You know about Mirju Maharaj. He is one of the famous Kathak dancer from Uttar Pradesh, and you should know about his full name, Brij Mohan Nath Mishra Maharaj, and he is one of the best Kathak dancer. Thoracic cavity normally contains organs and tissues that functions in respiratory. You can see around the lungs. You can see bronchi, trachea, and pleura. So this is whole is known as thoracic cavity. You know about cardiovascular related heart, pericardium, great vessels, and lymphatic. You can tell they are all cardiovascular things. Nervous system, vagus nerve, sympathetic chain. So these everything comes under nervous. You know about immune, thymus. Here you can see thymus gland also. Normally you will find in children. For the adults, it get vanished. So you should know about digestive, esophagus. This is one thing. Now we have something Congress convention, which is very important. It has begun in the Lahore in 1929. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the president for the Congress convention. It has asked the year that was held in 1929. Exposure of iron. So obviously an alloy of iron to oxygen in the presence of moisture that gets oxidized and get it rusted. This is not a instantaneous. It takes a time process, and the weight of the iron gets more. Home Rule League, you know about that. So it was held in 1916. You can see Bal Gangadhar Tilak as well as Hon Ani Besant was the founder of Home Rule League. You can see after this membership. You can see 250 members will be there in Rajya Sabha, but they had given 245 at present. What we have, so we have to give the answer only 245, girls. Now we have electric coils. They are found normally in electric motors, generators, inductors, and electromagnets, where we use electric coils. Internal fertilization. This occurs inside the female body. The male gametes enter the female body and fuses with the egg in the female body itself. Internal fertilization occurs in many animals, including humans, cows, dogs, hens. So you can see. So this type of fertilization happens in cows, guys. So this is the answer. So instrument in which there is no elongated string. In tabla we don't use any kind of string, but guitar and veena has got the string. Guru Purab, which is also known as Guru Nanak's Prakash Utsav. This festival is celebrated by six community guys. There shall be a governor in each state. The article states that is Article 153 guys. So we must have the governor in every state. He is like a president for the state. Australia has been called the oldest continent as well as the last of lands and the last frontier, which is also known as small continent. You know about the 8 degrees and 4 minutes north, so 37 degrees and 6 minutes north, this like this. So overall their longitudes, Indian mainland lies between these two longitudes. Now we have Chenab River. You should know about that. So it is the largest tributary of River Indus. It has got the total length of near about, you can see here, 974 kilometers. So it is the empties into river Sutlej. It enters directly into Sutlej. So it is the tributary of Indus and it directly this Chenab empties into river Sutlej also. Now we have the major tribes, that is Gujarat. We have different major tribes. Among them, largest is Bill. Anything that is northernmost range, which is known as Great or Inner Himalayas, or which are known as Himadri, guys. So you can see the most continuous range consisting of the loftiest peaks with an average height of 6,000 meters. Now we have first law on justice minister of independent India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the guy who was the first law minister who served in the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's cabinet during the 1947 and 51. You know about Shankar Kurup, who received the award Gnanpith Award. He was the good at poems. In 1965, you know about that book Bamboo Flute. So he was published in 1950. He was the best writer from Kerala. So next we'll be discussing about Army Nursing Assistant papers. So that paper you can directly go through my playlist where I had given the Army Nursing Assistant, as well as technical guys can watch these questions. Have a good day. We will discuss in next paper. Great time. Chalo. See you girls. If you have any queries, you can directly call me on 7666 730 252.